Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy, and today, guys, I'm going to be discussing the new Xbox Series X logo that just came out, as well as the new Project Lockhart announcement for the new Xbox Series X that just got released as well. If you guys go on to enjoy this video, make sure to smash that like button. All likes are appreciated, and make sure to go check out the Life Made Easy podcast if you haven't checked that out already. So without further ado, top in to the video. So I'm just up on this website, Eurogamer. And it just got recently announced that the new Xbox Series X logo was revealed. The PS5 logo, as it says here, was released back in January, but the Xbox Series X hadn't come out till now. So here's what it looks like. You guys can give your opinions in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think about it. Personally, I think it looks all right. Kind of like a disconnected X here, and then has the series lettering on the side. So to me, it's very basic, but it also looks kind of clean. I'm excited to see what the actual box looks like when they release the Series X. So I'm excited about it. Most people are discussing what it looks like on the internet right now, and so I thought I should share my thoughts as well. So overall, I'd rate it. It's pretty decent. No issues with it. And then moving on, the bigger news of today, if I can scroll down here, Project Lockhart. Is what they're calling it, as you can see right here. And there's so many ads on this website, but this is Xbox's next gen console that's going to be a affordable alternative. So it's going to be roughly, I think, half in height, or the height cut in half, as I've seen renders of it. It's now, there's not many specifications on the console yet, but we have information that it's going to have some next-gen components, hardware components. It's going to be very powerful, just not as powerful as the original Series X that's going to be coming out this holiday 2020. So as I said, and it is going to be an all-digital edition, which is kind of strange. I'm hoping that they don't continue to do this in the future, because I do always like having physical copies of discs and games. It feels like you have more ownership over the game. I feel like digital games these days, while they're convenient, it lacks almost like uniqueness in a way. But yeah, it's going to be an all digital edition. It's titled Project Lockhart. It's going to be smaller in size. It's going to be more powerful than the Xbox One X is right now, but not as powerful as the Series X will. So it was supposed to be released at E3 2020, but obviously with the current crisis, it's canceled. So they're going to be doing it at Microsoft's press release coming soon. So guys, stay tuned for that. The company will be hosting a showcase in May. So it should be in May. We'll have to look for it. I'm excited for the Series X. I hope you guys are too. Make sure to leave a like if you guys are excited for the Series X. And guys, if you haven't checked out that video already, that I announced I'd be purchasing a Series X if that video got 100 likes. It's currently up to like 72, 73 right now. So guys, go check that video out. I'll probably put a card in the top right for you guys to go click on that video. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You can also find me over on Gaming Made Easy. I'm going to be posting some content over there. Yeah, podcast linked in the description. I'd highly recommend it, and you guys can go check out some episodes that we've been uploading over there. Did a Star Wars one last episode, which is cool. Some episodes on the Clone Wars. So guys, I will see you guys in the next video.